Hey, it's Brad Buckner, SharpensBest.com, Tanner Gun Show, Arapahoe County Fairgrounds. And you know what? Guess what just came in, and I don't even have a demo yet. So, I'm going to take the red, North Carolina, American made, all right, and I am going to mark my demo with an X so I know which one it is, and it won't end up back in my tray for sale. All right, so the red one, North Carolina, American made, Brad Buckner, that is my new demo for the Longhandle red sharpener.
Well, demo it.
Oh, you want me to demo it? Okay, we're gonna go that route. All right, so we can do it this way. All right, I'm gonna slow down so you can see. I like this knife best. I go out on that corner, back on this corner, out on that corner, back on this corner. So we got a corner over here and a corner over there and a corner over here like that. So I actually go out on that, back on this, where I just slow down a little bit and do this way, run out like that, come back this way, that way. Now there's a lot of people say that I have 20 different angles on that blade. So I'm gonna hold still and you zoom in as tight as you can get and tell me there isn't just one angle on that knife. This is Brad Buckner, SharpensBest.com. The new red long handle sharpeners are ready. Go to SharpensBest.com, off of YouTube, SharpensBest, SharpensBest.com, and start buying them.